Hey Kev, where are we today?
Down in Venice, Florida.
Venice, Florida. Here we are in downtown Venice, Florida. And we're gonna be skating out to Venice Beach, Florida.
Yes,
Ready?
I'm ready. You
Let's
ready?
go.
All right.
All right. This is a beautiful little town on Florida's Gulf Coast, West Coast, Sarasota County. And we just recently discovered how fun and nice it is to skate in Venice, Florida. A lot of people know of Venice, California, Venice Beach, California, but Venice, Florida is a lot smaller of a little town, but it's beautiful, beautiful little town. And it's March, so this is our, winter season. There's more people down here. You can see all the shops and restaurants here along Venice Avenue. All these beautiful palm trees. So this is our season, but it's still not like terribly crowded here. It's a kind of a quieter little town, but really, really nice. And all these streets and, all these streets and sidewalks are really smooth here. Really smooth, nice concrete. And I think it's just beautiful, the architecture in this little town. All of the beautiful things to look at. You ready to cross?
Where are we going?
Let's cross.
Let's go.
All right. Come on, Kev. I love all these flowers that they've planted everywhere. It's a really picturesque little town.
All the restaurants.
Yeah, it really is. There's nice restaurants here, dining. Smells delicious. Whew. Are we doing a little slalom here? Slalom? A little slalom through the post there. So it's like a mile basically from Tamiami Trail to Venice Beach, out to the beach here. Only a mile along Venice Avenue. Yeah. This part of Florida is really quaint, really pretty. Beautiful weather today. It's March and it's like, what, 84 degrees? Oh, there's some paintings here. That's cool. Nice. Hello.
Lovely paintings.
Lovely paintings.
Landscaping.
Beautiful landscaping. But yeah, so it's in the 80s today. So this is Florida in March. The weather's great. Are we going to be able to cross here? I don't know. Let's see. We're good? Off we go.
Yeah.
Kevin leads the way. Charges through. All right. Over here we have some tennis courts. People playing basketball and tennis. Oh, nice.
See those back?
Yeah, there's always like little brick areas. They get a little bumpy. But if you're looking for places to visit in Florida, if you have vacations or anything, want to take a trip to someplace warm and tropical, this part of Florida, on the west coast of Florida, is really pretty. Beautiful weather here in the winter. Beautiful beaches, one of which we will be ending this skate with, out to Venice Beach. Woo! And into the street. Street is super smooth and nice. All right. So we gotta watch it, make sure we can cross. We're gonna check up for 1 second, right over here. This is where we come into the Center Park area through Venice Avenue. There's like, in the middle of the avenue, there's this beautiful park. Houses to either side. This is a more residential side. Kevin's doing some fancy something. Yeah, so you can see the residences on either side, and then we're skating through this beautiful park. Lots of trees. And this park is all really smooth asphalt, except for a couple of sections. There's just like 2 sections where they have what you would call, what is that stuff? Hello. It's like recycled,
I think it's rubber.
Recycled rubber or something. Yeah. And yeah, it has a, yeah, we're coming up to it now, where the ground changes to recycled rubber. So you have to really push through it. Takes a lot of leg strength. That's good exercise, you know. All of these banyan trees are beautiful. Beautiful banyan trees through here. I love this park, it's so pretty. So it's like 10 degrees cooler through here. I know, even in these warm temperatures, in the shade, it gets a lot cooler. It feels good. All right, off we go.
Keep it up, Jazz.
I'm working on it. Kevin's Speedy Gonzalez today. Trying to keep up. Oh, the beautiful plants here. All right. The second part of the trail here through the center, through the park. Trying to keep up with Kev. He's going so fast.
Oh, no.
So some of these houses to either side, hi there. Some of these houses are just beautiful. Beautiful, kind of like colonial style houses. These are really lovely homes.
That's a nice trail.
Feels really good here in the shade, yeah.
Yeah. The weather's perfect today.
It really is. It's a really nice warm day. I don't know why it took me so long to figure out that Venice is such a nice city for skating. Oh, here's more of that recycled rubber ground. A lot of, gotta push hard against it because you kind of want to bog you down. But it doesn't last long. It's just like in a short stretch and then
You gotta really push.
back to the asphalt. Oh yeah, you gotta push. Oh, we're coming up on one of these one-wheel things. Let's have a look. Beautiful houses again. Through here. This one-wheel guy's going fast. He's got a golden retriever. Moving on through. Venice, Florida. Hi, puppy. Hi there. It's okay. Hi. Hi, you guys. Hi. You scared the little puppy. Puppers. Watch for sticks, everyone. Yeah, I know. Pick up those feet. I feel those sticks under feet. Sticks under wheels. All right, we're moving on. We're almost to the beach. I can see the water in the distance. Well, not too far. Pretty close, actually. Just like a block or two away. We're coming up to this last part.
Yay. More recycled stuff.
More recycled ground. Very nice. Hello, how are you? And this says Venice Army Air Base. Hello. It was an air base. No longer is. That was during World War II, I believe, in the 40s. Now we're coming out to the beach. Got some condos on either side. Yes. Coming up toward the entrance of Venice Beach. So it's not California. Venice Beach, Florida is very different than California, but it's beautiful. A wonderful place to hang out, roller skate, go swimming. We got in the ocean, well, the Gulf of Mexico for the first time yesterday. Well, the first time this year in 2021. So that's pretty cool. Water's a little cool, but feels good. Oh, it's cool to us Floridians. It probably doesn't feel cool to maybe people from up north. All right, Venice Beach, the entrance. Here we go. Whew.